Welcome! In this guide, we'll discuss how to grow an Instagram account in 2024. In this era, Instagram remains a vital platform to connect, build a brand, and promote products and services. The key to account growth lies in optimizing your profile, creating quality content, and fostering engagement with your audience. Strategic partnerships also play a crucial role in success. With careful strategy and dedication, you can achieve great success on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe for more valuable tips. Instagram, undoubtedly, has a massive user base, which makes it a lucrative platform for businesses and individuals alike. With over 1 billion monthly active users, there is a vast, diverse audience waiting to engage with your brand. Consequently, it's important to understand the platform and master the tactics that can help you establish a strong presence on Instagram. One of the most basic, yet pivotal steps to growing an Instagram account successfully is to optimize your profile. Your profile serves as the face of your brand on Instagram, and it will often be the first impression you make on prospective followers. Optimize it by ensuring your handle is recognizable, your bio is descriptive and engaging, and a high-quality profile picture represents the brand. Captivating content is the heartbeat of any successful Instagram account. Visual appeal is crucial on a predominantly visual platform like Instagram. Therefore, it's essential to create high-quality, visually engaging content that is consistent with your brand's aesthetic and resonates with your target audience. Beyond the creative aspect, it's also critical to consider timing and frequency of posting. A content calendar can help with planning, ensuring that your posts are distributed evenly and at optimal times for your audience's engagement. Now more than ever, fostering interaction and engagement from your audience is essential to maintaining a strong presence on Instagram. This level of responsiveness can also elevate your brand by showing potential followers that you value their engagement and are an active participant within the community. Engaging with your audience can take various forms, from responding to comments on your posts, to encouraging tags and discussions in your stories. Remember, each touchpoint where you connect with your audience is an opportunity for them to remember you and your brand. Another useful tactic for Instagram growth is strategically collaborating with other users on the platform. An effective Instagram collaboration ensures a win-win situation, where both parties gain exposure to the other's followers while supporting common goals and themes. Collaborations can take many forms, from shoutouts in stories or posts, to more indirect ways like participating in shared challenges or contests. The key is to strike up partnerships that are relevant to your brand and provide valuable, authentic content to both yours and your collaborators' followers. However, keep in mind, it's not just about reaching out to any large account for collaborations. The most beneficial partnerships are those where both parties' audiences align, ensuring that the engagement these posts generate will also likely convert to followers. To improve your visibility and reach on Instagram, using appropriate hashtags strategically is imperative. Well-researched, industry-relevant hashtags can categorize your content, making it discoverable by users interested in those topics. Given the importance of hashtags, don't leave them for the last moment. Similarly, don't overdo this strategy. An abundance of irrelevant or overused tags can hurt your brand's authenticity and draw the wrong crowd. Furthermore, in the era of 2024, multimedia content like video posts and Instagram Reels are steadily taking over static posts and stories. By integrating videos and playful reels into your content strategy, you can increase your brand's entertainment quotient and encourage prolonged engagements from your followers. Video content can range from product demos and behind-the-scenes glimpses to customer testimonials and educational content. Choose the type of video content that aligns with your brand's offerings and appeals to your audience. Another interesting concept that's gaining momentum on Instagram is using your bio strategically. Besides a brief description of your brand and its offerings, consider incorporating direct links to your latest or most important content, such as a current campaign or a landing page for a new product line. While all these strategies and features are keys to growth, consistent monitoring and analysis of your account's performance are equally important. This process isn't just about the numbers but also about the qualitative understanding of your audience's preferences and behaviors. To effectively track your progress, make use of Instagram's built-in analytics tools, or opt for a third-party analytics tool if your needs are more sophisticated. Break down your data and understand your audience's age, gender, location, and most active timings to personalize your content effectively. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, it's also crucial to keep an eye out for new features and updates that platforms, including Instagram, consistently roll out. These features are usually designed to enhance user experiences and can be utilized to amplify your brand's online presence. Leverage emerging tools such as Instagram Shopping to help your followers purchase your products easily. Features like IGTV, Guide, and Live Rooms offer additional ways to connect with your audience and provide them with more engaging content types. Running Instagram ads is another proven approach to ensuring visibility and, consequently, growth. While organic reach is essential, especially for small or mid-sized businesses, investing in targeted ads can help you rapidly build your follower count and increase brand awareness. Last but not least, authenticity is non-negotiable on Instagram. The algorithm rewards genuine connections and penalizes manipulated tactics like buying followers or engagements. Remember, it's better to have a smaller, actively engaged audience that's genuinely interested in your brand than a vast but inactive following. It's useful to understand that Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same applies to your Instagram growth. Your journey on the platform should constantly evolve to accommodate the dynamic changes taking place. Stay dedicated, experiment with different strategies, and adapt to the trends to see significant and consistent growth. Moving to the end, the tools and strategies we've discussed here are powerful when used correctly. However, it's vital to also remember that, at its core, Instagram is a platform for human connection. Building relationships, be it with your audience or with other Instagram users, can support your brand's growth more than any other tactic. To cap this off, remember to create measurable goals that align with your overall marketing objectives. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost product sales, your Instagram strategy should be tailored accordingly. Finally, as you continue creating and sharing content, consistently review your strategies, track your progress, make necessary adjustments, and most importantly, have fun! Instagram is an exciting platform that rewards creativity, authenticity, and connection. So, go ahead and leverage all its amazing features to see the growth you're looking for. As we approach the conclusion, remember that no Instagram growth strategy is a one-size-fits-all. Your brand's unique identity, target audience, and overall business goals will determine which tactics will work best for you. Keep experimenting, stay agile, and success on Instagram will be well within your reach. To recap, we've touched upon several aspects that make up a successful Instagram growth strategy. From profile optimization and high-quality content creation to fostering audience engagement and leveraging new Instagram features, the journey to Instagram stardom alters yet fascinating, with each step bringing you closer to your target audience. It's important to understand that mastering Instagram doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, consistent effort, and a good deal of patience. But with the right tools in hand and a clear understanding of your audience, success is not far. So, here's to making your mark on Instagram in 2024 and beyond! As we come to the end, remember that this arena is witnessing continuous evolution and you need to stay adaptable to thrive. Always keep up with the latest trends in the digital marketing landscape, so that you can iterate on your existing tactics and introduce new ones that can push forward your growth agenda. Thank you for investing your time in learning about the nuances of Instagram growth. We hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to see you implement these strategies to skyrocket your Instagram account. And of course, do continue to educate, engage and most importantly, enjoy the journey of Instagram growth. To stay in the loop for more such insights and strategies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, happy Instagramming! We are wrapping up our discussion, and now it's time to turn this learning into action. As you venture into the exciting world of Instagram growth, remember that it requires a combination of strategic planning, creative execution, and consistent engagement. Is there more we could uncover? Absolutely! But for now, we would sign off with a gentle reminder to measure your goals, stay authentic, flexible, and keep the focus on building valuable relationships. Wishing you abundant success on your Instagram journey, from setting up your profile with precision to making every piece of your content count, from fostering a bustling community to building lasting relationships. The path to Instagram growth is packed with learning, testing, redefining, and most of all enjoying every bit of it.